Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Study Sketch. Today, we are going to take an exciting journey through the life cycle of a frog. Frogs are fascinating creatures that go through a series of amazing transformations. Let's explore each stage in detail and discover how a tiny egg becomes a hopping frog. Egg stage. The life cycle of a frog starts when a female frog lays eggs in water, typically in ponds, lakes, or slow-moving streams. These eggs are laid in clusters called spawn. Each egg is surrounded by a jelly-like substance that protects it from predators and keeps it from drying out. The eggs are very small and often look like little black dots inside a clear, jelly-like mass. Within a few days to a couple of weeks, depending on the temperature and species, the eggs begin to hatch. Tadpole stage. When the eggs hatch, they release tadpoles, which are also known as polywogs. Tadpoles are aquatic larvae that look very different from adult frogs. They have long, slender bodies with tails and no legs. At this stage, tadpoles breathe through gills, similar to fish, and they use their tails to swim. Tadpoles primarily feed on algae and other plant materials in the water. As they grow, they shed their outer skin multiple times, a process called molting. Tadpole with legs stage. As tadpoles continue to grow, they undergo significant changes. The back legs begin to develop first, followed by the front legs. During this time, their gills start to be replaced by lungs, allowing them to breathe air. This transition marks the beginning of their transformation into froglets. Tadpoles with legs still retain their tails, but the tails start to shrink as they absorb the nutrients stored in them. Froglet stage. Once the tadpoles have fully developed their legs, they enter the froglet stage. Froglets are miniature versions of adult frogs but still have a small tail. Their diet begins to change, and they start to eat small insects and other invertebrates. As their lungs become more efficient, froglets spend more time at the water's surface, taking in air. This stage can last several weeks, during which the froglet's tails continue to shrink until they disappear completely. Adult frog stage. Adult frogs also have vocal sacs, which they use to produce the croaking sounds we often hear. These sounds are used to attract mates and communicate with other frogs. Frogs can live in a variety of habitats, including after losing their tails, froglets become adult frogs. Adult frogs have strong hind legs adapted for jumping, and they can live both in water and on land. They have a sticky tongue that they use to catch prey, such as insects, spiders, and other small animals. Forests, grasslands, and wetlands, but they always stay close to water sources. Conclusion. And that's the incredible life cycle of a frog. From a tiny egg in the water to a fully grown frog hopping on land, these amphibians go through some truly amazing transformations. The journey of a frog's life is a wonderful example of nature's incredible processes. Thank you for joining us on this exploration. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun and educational videos from Study Sketch. See you next time.